Let's take a trip to the jungle today. So many animals want to say, hey! Swing, stomp, roar, and play. Come on, friends, let's sing hooray! Ooh, 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 ah, ah, who swings from the trees? It's a monkey, happy as can be. Climbing and jumping all around. Let's jump like monkeys with a funny sound. Roar, 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 who's king of the land? It's a lion, so strong and grand, with a big loud roar and a golden mane. Let's roar like lions again and again. Stomp, 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 so big and gray. Elephants here to stomp and sway, with a long trunk and big floppy ears. Stomp like elephants, give big cheers. Squawk, 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 so bright and loud. It's a parrot flying through the clouds. Red, green, yellow, colors so neat. Flap like parrots with happy feet. The jungle is a magical place, with animals of every shape and face. Wave goodbye, we'll be back someday. Jungle friends, hip, hip, hooray!